Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, grade 7, page number 40, and the topic is combining elements to make compounds. As we know that elements combine during chemical reaction to fill up the outer shells because many elements have their outer shell is not completely filled. So when two or more elements join, they form a new compound. For example, in this figure you can see that sodium reacts with vigorously chlorine gas to form a new compound, that is sodium chloride, and these form ionic compounds. As when an atom loses an electron, it gains positive charge, that is cation, and when an atom gains an electron, it becomes a negative ion known as anion. For example, in this figure you can see that sodium loses one electron and chlorine gain one electron because sodium have one electron in the outer shell and chlorine have 7 electrons, so chlorine need one more electron to fill up their shell. A new compound is formed, that is sodium gain positive charge and chlorine, that is gain negative charge, and new compound known as sodium chloride. And the formation of bond is known as ionic bond because ions are pulled close to each other by electrostatic attraction known as ionic bonds. Another example, magnesium and oxygen. Magnesium when is a gray metal and oxygen is colorless gas. When they combine, they form a new compound, that is magnesium oxide. But only one difference is that magnesium loses 2 electrons and oxygen gains 2 electrons in a chemical reaction. Magnesium also gains positive charge and oxygen negative charge. Magnesium oxide formula MgO. On page number 41, test yourself questions, and the answers are: when an atom loses an electron, what charge does the ion have? Positive charge. When an atom gains an electron, what charges does the ion have? Negative charge. Third question, describe the changes in appearance of substance when sodium and chlorine combine. White crystals of sodium fluoride are formed. Fourth question, give one way in which formation of magnesium differs from the sodium chloride. Magnesium oxide has same structure as the sodium chloride NaCl, but magnesium loses 2 electrons and sodium loses only 1 electron. Fifth question, using diagram how potassium forms the compound potassium fluoride. This is the dramatical representation of the potassium fluoride. This is a chemical reaction. Potassium contains only 1 electron that loses, and fluorine contains it because fluorine have 7 electrons in the outer shell. Now it becomes 8. Potassium gains positive charge, fluorine gains negative. Dear students, page number 42. Topic is covalent bonds. Sharing of electrons is known as a covalent bond. When two atoms share their electron with each other, they form a new bond, that is covalent bond. For example, chlorine. In this figure you can see that the outer shell of chlorine atom are 7 electrons, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and same. These two chlorine atoms have 7 electrons in the outer shell, then they will share their electrons to fill up their outer shells. The combined chlorine atoms form a new molecule. You can see here 2 molecules, H2O chlorine molecule, single bond, that is covalent bond. Water. Water molecule is made when 2 hydrogen atoms share their electrons with 1 oxygen atom. As we know that the chemical formula for water is H2O, means 2 molecules of hydrogen and 1 molecule of oxygen. So water share 2 hydrogen atom with 1 oxygen atom, and the dramatical representation of the formula is here H2O. Now test yourself questions, page number 43, and the answers are: first question, which particle in an atom involved in covalent bond? Electron. Second question, how covalent bond is formed? By sharing the electrons with other atoms. Third question, what particle is made the covalent bond? Molecules and polyatomic ions. Fourth question, differentiate between covalent bond and ionic bond. Sharing of electrons is called covalent bond. Ionic ions are pulled close to each other by electrostatic attraction. This is called an ionic bond. Fifth question, A part, what element are in carbon dioxide, carbon and hydrogen? B part, answer 1 carbon and 2 oxygen. Draw a diagram of sharing electrons in carbon dioxide. This is the diagram of carbon dioxide molecule sharing electrons with each other. Now on page number 44, Exercise questions. Multiple choice question. True. On next page, third question. Differentiate the elements in compounds. Symbol of carbon as it appears a periodic table. Show below. This is a periodic table. And give the answers according to this table. Question number 6. The table shows the structure of several particles and answer of these question answers. A list of articles is given below. Now, note these questions and exercise on your box. Thank you.